This is how we made The Sound of Violet, Day 11. Why don't you sit here, and do you have a phone on you?
Yeah.
Okay, great. Just read your phone.
Cool.
And you guys are just having a conversation. We are here at Carmine's Restaurant in Bellevue. They are not open today, so they are letting us film here. We're so grateful. We have our extras here who will be diners in the scene. We actually gonna have a shorter day today because of where we have to film tomorrow, so we've got to get in and out really quickly. But who knows what could happen, because every day something happens. That's just part of making a movie.
Can I get my stuff?
Yeah, they're totally ready. I think you are reading your phone and then you look up and then you just happen to see her. Okay, everyone ready? Let's go.
Okay, too much.